Hi my lovely friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's nail art video, I'm going to be sharing this cute summery neon nail art design that I'll be creating by using stamps. So if you are interested, then please keep on watching. And by the way, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, hi there, welcome to my channel. I post nail art and nail polish reviews videos every week. So if you are interested, then please subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to click on the bell icon so you get notified as soon as I post a new video. So in today's video, I'm going to be using these cute neon colors to create this stamping nail art design. So I have painted my index, middle and pinky finger as well as my thumbnail in white color and a contrasting color black on my ring fingernail. And also I have applied this rubber latex around my nails so after stamping I don't have to clean too much. So now let's get started. For the base, I'm going to be using the dry brush technique by these neon colors. This one is from NY Bay. I just love this nail polish for its color, but I hate it for its consistency. I mean, it's too thin, so it always needs a white base to work. But anyway, once I have a white base, it's just so stunning and gorgeous. So, on this white base, I'll be using this pink and neon green color from NYB, and then I'll create some dry brush strokes. So if you're not familiar with how to create dry brush strokes, I have already explained in one of my earlier videos. I will link that video in the description box as well as I will link it right above so you can watch after watching this video. So I'll take off almost all the polish from my nail polish brush and create some random strokes here and there on my middle nail first using the green polish, as well as I will do the same on my index nail. So what I'm doing here is I'm creating a base for the stamping design on my middle as well as index fingernail. So after creating some strokes using the green neon polish, I am going to use the pink neon polish to create few strokes and give it a bit of contrast. I love this pink nail polish. I bought it off High Street. It's a non-branded nail polish and works so well over any white base. And especially it's looking so pretty with this gorgeous neon polish in green color from NYB. So I'm just creating some random pink dry brush strokes. As you can see, my nail polish brush is completely dry, so it gives me beautiful strokes here and there on my nail. So this is how I have created a base of my stamping design. Oops, I did have a little bit too much over my brush. But anyway, it's okay. We'll balance it out with the yellow or green nail polish. That's fine. It happens. After I have created this base, I'll let it dry off completely before I start with my stamping design. And while I'm waiting for it to dry off completely, I just go ahead and paint my pinky nail with the pink nail polish. A quick tip, neons work best when you have white base under them. So always whenever you are using some neon polishes, unless they are too thick in consistency, make sure you paint your nails in white base first and then use your neon polishes over them. So after I have painted my pinky nail with the pink nail polish, it looks like so. Already it's looking so pretty. And I decided to paint my thumbnail with this gorgeous yellow neon color to complete the neon look of my manicure. But anyway, I'll just go ahead and now I will start off with my stamping design. So for the stamping design, I'm going to be using a Born Pretty stamping nail plate. It's a very beautiful flowery mandala kind of design. I'll show you just in a bit. So I've used all the Born Pretty products. I've used the stamper, the black nail polish as well as the stamping plate, all from Born Pretty. So this is the Bon Pretty plate I was talking about, and I'm going to be using this design for stamping today over my index as well as middle fingernail. So stamping is pretty simple also. I have explained it in one of my earlier videos. If you haven't watched it, do watch it. I'll link it in my description box, and I'll also link it in the info bar above so you can watch it later on. This is the stamper, jelly stamper I'm going to be using. I love this stamper for the fact it is really broad and it's crystal clear so you can see from the back while you are stamping. Also, I'll be using a piece of cello tape to clean my stamper every once in a while during the stamping process. So I'll paint a little bit of polish over the design I just showed you. I'll be using for my nail art design today, like so, and then I will use a scraper. I'm using the Bon Pretty scraper, but you can use any kind of old card, credit card or student card or whatever you have, and scrape the excess off. And I'm now using my jelly stamper to take my stamp on the jelly stamper like so, and then carefully looking from the back, I'm placing the stamper over my nail so that the design comes off on my nail quickly. It's quite simple once you get a hang of it, so it takes a little bit of practice, so don't lose patience and keep practicing. And also, I like to clean my stamper using this piece of tape every once in a while so it's ready to be used on the another nail. Same way, I am cleaning my stamping plate by putting a few drops of acetone over my stamping plate, and I'm cleaning it off using a piece of cotton, and then finally I'll use a clean piece of cotton to quickly dry it off. So now it's ready to be used next time. Thankfully, I applied liquid latex on around my cuticle area, so cleaning won't be a big job this time. So it really helps if you have liquid latex. Do make sure to apply it over your cuticle area, especially when you are making stamping designs, because cleanup becomes a lot easier this way. So once this is all cleaned up, I will apply a good layer of top coat to protect my design from coming off and make it look shiny and glossy all that time. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video and you like this cute summery nail art design. I really enjoyed making this design and I am into stamping a lot these days. So let me know in the comment section below if you would like to see more stamping nail art designs on my YouTube channel. Thanks so much for watching. Stay safe at home and try new nail art designs watching more of my easy DIY nail arts on my YouTube channel. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button before leaving because it'll make me so happy. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye.